To everyone who's visiting my channel, I want to be able to just let people know I have this amazing opportunity. I can't even believe it myself. It's just mind blowing. Um, you know, $20 business. $20. Well, they have. You can come in at $20. You can come in at $100, or you can come in at $199. But the point is that it's low ticket, very low ticket. Low far as you can spend at a very affordable price, and also high ticket. It's high because it pays high. The pay is very good, and there's nothing like it. You can't buy a business nowhere for $20 and make thousands of dollars. It's unheard of. It really is. It's just crazy. It's insane. Like, for an example, anyone who wants to purchase a McDonald's or franchise, it costs $1 million to get started. You know what I'm saying? And by the time you make profit, it takes with 7 years, the average business, to make profit. And if you don't make profit within 7 year time frame, you out of business. So with this opportunity, you can make a profit within a matter of days, if not weeks. You know what I'm saying? For the simple fact that it's low ticket. It's very affordable, inexpensive. Our goal is to pretty much help 1 million families across the globe, is to save money. Our goal is to help 1 million families to save money on things that they already spend money on, and which is get their bills lowered. To help them get their bills lowered, on things like the car insurance, cell phone bill, internet bill, cable bill, all that good stuff. That's just one package. Then we have other packages too. We have packages for roadside assistance, to see the doctor, you know what I mean? And you don't even have to leave the house just to speak with the doctor. You can speak to the doctor over the phone, or through a Zoom meeting. Then we have other packages where you can pretty much just get like go on cruises, airline tickets, airfares, your favorite restaurants. You get all these discounts, but you have to become a member. And you have to become a member of this organization. And not only that, this company been around for 16 years, since 2006, and they are accredited by the BBB, the Better Business Bureau. They have an A+ rating. So if you want your discounts and savings, and also earn an income stream with this wonderful, mind-blowing opportunity, click on the link below and get started as soon as possible. You won't regret it. I guarantee you. You'll be happy and satisfied, and you will thank me later. All right. Take care. Bye for now.